Now we will see how a student take an examination using the LoveMyTest examination platform. Student will have to log into lovemytestonline.com and this login window will be displayed for them. There is an option to check your system before you start the test. You can check whether your browser is compatible. If the browser is not compatible, you will get a cross button here. So in which case you need to upgrade your browser. You also need to check your time zone is matching with your country. So if you are in India, the time zone should be the Indian time zone. You need to check that your device camera is working and your browser is supporting the camera. In case it is not working, you need to set that correctly. You also need to check that equations are displayed correctly on your system. So here you can see two equations. One is image of an equation and the other one is an equation itself. If you are not able to see two equations, which means that your system is not supporting equations, and you need to make sure that you have a browser which supports equations, and then you can end this here and you can log into the system. And once you log in, you will be able to see when the test is happening. There will be a countdown timer. So this test is set for 6 o'clock and now it is 5:59. So you have 1 more minute to go for this test to start. So there is a countdown timer. Your launch button will be active 2-3 minutes before the test. So you can launch the test and take your photograph and upload the photograph to start the test. There will also be few instructions and some link for detailed instructions which you can go through. In fact, you should log in at least 5 minutes before so that you can go through all these instructions and read that before you start the test. You can now launch the test and then take a photograph of yours and upload the photo. After you upload the photo, the countdown timer is still running. It will start exactly at the time that is set for the examination. This is the interface where you will take the examination. You will see the questions here. You will see the countdown timer here, how much time is available for you. Your video is being shown here, which means that the teacher is monitoring you and you should not do anything which is not permitted in an examination. And once you attend the questions, you can see the color is changing on the panel right side. So as you attend the questions, the color will become green. For subjective questions, you have the option to either type in the answer or write your answer on paper and take a photograph of that. So you can type your answer here. Here we will upload a photograph. If you are using your laptop, you will need to bring your photograph or the image here to upload. If you are using a mobile phone, when you click on select, your camera will be active and you can take a photo directly and upload that. You can upload up to 5 images on this page. If you try to navigate away from the test window, try to do something and then come back, then you will get a warning that you seem to have moved out of the test window. This is not acceptable. Your actions are being tracked and you could be debarred from the test. So you should not move out of the test window to search for anything or to look at other websites. That is not acceptable. So you can go to each of the questions and attend them one by one. In case of match the following questions, you can do a drag and drop to get your correct answers. So you can start from the top and one by one you can match the correct options and then go to the next. So as you navigate, you can see that the color is changing green, and the questions which are not attended, if you skip, it will be grayed out. And if you want to highlight a question for review, you can do that by clicking on this bell icon. It will get highlighted in a different color and this is marked for review. Any point of time you can come back to that question, attend that question also. So you can answer all the questions here one by one. This is a drawing and labeling question. You can draw your answer on paper and then take a photograph of that and upload that. You can also delete an image if required and upload another one. Confirm delete. And when you are uploading, you can upload images or PDF files. Both are acceptable. In case you get logged out due to any reason, you can resume the test again. When you log in again, you will come back to the page and you can see the resume button and you can resume the test. You will need to again take a photograph and upload the photograph and start the test. And you will come back to the same position where you are left. You were on the 15th question and this many questions were already attempted, and you will see the same position where you have left the test. You cannot log in from two devices simultaneously. So if you log into another device, then this current test will get terminated automatically and you can continue from the other device. And on the other device also, you will have to again take the photograph and validate your credentials and then start the test. So you should do that only in case your current device has a problem. Otherwise, you should not attempt to take the test from another device. When you come to the last question, the finish button will be active and you can click finish to finish the test. And if you have not attempted all questions, it will give you a warning that you have some questions left to attempt. So you can go back and attempt those questions, or you can finish the test. So if you want to go back, you will click cancel. Then you can see that some questions are not attempted. You can go here and attempt those questions. You can go to the question that you have marked for review, which is this 13th question, and attempt that question also. And then you can unmark it from review, or you can leave it as it is also. It will not stop you from submitting the test. And then finish the test. Once you finish the test, you will get logged out of the system.